Manipur indulges in the spirit of Zilingrong community's biggest post-harvest festival, Gangai, with traditional fervor, pomp and gaiety. And Delhi court on Tuesday issues death warrants for hanging of 4 convicts in Nirbhaya case on January 22nd at 7 a.m. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. State-level Gangai Celebration Committee Manipur began the state-level celebrations of the biggest festival of the Zilingrong community, Gangai, at Ramzi Kabui village today. Inaugural of the 5-day celebration on the theme "Loss of Religion is Loss of Culture, Loss of Culture is Loss of Identity" began with religious rituals, traditional dance and music. Speaking at the event, Mahut Minister Thaunawjam Shyam Kumar stated that a community can prosper only by preserving its rich cultural heritage and religious beliefs passed on by their ancestors. He appeals to people of the Zilingrong community to always safeguard their unique and beautiful culture, tradition and way of life.
Taksi kasih tu, adu mang kerja di jati itu laitre, hati nak kami masuk. Adu nak kau dia mana? Ipai pun tampil apa? Taksi kasih not culture. Mayam jokat pai pasina jati isi ke pun apa? Amadi kalau pada di pun apa? Ina pun ba culture ni amadi jati ni nak kau ilmu ni. Adu mengasih di Manipur itu tongan ba jati isi mana? Lebih jati itu maksud ipai pun tampil apa? Taksi kasih itu nombor maksud kita minta.
Post-harvest festival of the Zilingrong community, the Gangai, also known as Chakan Gangai, is being celebrated with traditional and religious fervor and gaiety across the state. The biggest festival of the Zilingrong community is being celebrated mainly by the followers and devotees of Tingkau Rangwang Chapirak. Meanwhile, people of the community also drew the attention of the authorities concerned to resolve the prevailing issues over holding of the state-level Gangai celebration. Impact News brings you a special report.
Zilingrong Proof ki oiba khwadi chawba kumai emo oiriba Gangai Festival ngasi Manipur sinbuthuna paksana pangthokli chahi horakpa amadi ariba chahi loikiba anigi langdai de pangthokpa amadi lakatoriba chahi asida nungai ka chahi mo oinbe wakhalonda achouba chalena mangalorena numit manga ni chuba pangthokadoriba kumai asida hauji mak khogi Imphal meolda leriba kaklong kaboi khulda festival asikaramna pangthokliba ge amadi makoina karam ba wapon thinthal ba ge habdo mieng taminase Kita khogi sai mama lere namong ngasi se Gangai oibrina positive kam chilage
Positive thoidok pa yam kan receipt da hanagi adum chang hai tare ko adum mahoksai kumai hai duni ko ado handakti state level celebration chu chomung da tarabanina thoidona langbo khotpa chu udre sida
pangthokli ba kumai asiga malena hoje khogi achaubo sale amagi da makakulong khul manung da miyam na khoi lambi da puthoklaga chak thongbagi dumlo mami ni miyam na ubiri ba se hoje miyam na ubiri ba se Gangai pangthoi se sigi oidora miyam si thonglang te miyam se
masi loina ma khogi nupa pha nupi phona haina khaidoi ba koise Gangai se aduna masi yam maroi sei amada murok oina thokpani
pangthoi ba kumai se masi maru oina karamba wakhalona pangthoi ba kumai no aduga numit mangani pangthoi haben se bidi khangna re maru oina kumai sigi manung da leiri ba khogi nungya athasing se kari no tam
akhoi ge chahi anogwa lakpa aduga sikhi ba amade ahingba ani lakpa se masi oina akhoi se ngai celebrate to heba habdi lau ba loiba kansida lau lokpa khopa mayam pullaga harau duna chamin thangmin na ba leina ko asigumba se koi chahi goding ki sum pangthoi ba ada amromda amuka asiba haina asiba isu akhoi gi sidi maroi ba masi nimi sida asiba sigi roiba magi maroi ba numi ne habdi masi akhoi na hingling ai phawbadi akhoi na mkhoi hoji hairiba asiba se ma hingli haina dum le ne ba hangeda adana masi nimi se Gangai se loira kanda ma se dum loi khardabni aduna mayam loina ma punsin nagne ba
asangba sangdabagi gumbai intore asangba kangbuda matam matung in the promise ka gi tho magi phom karaktori mara bukti de laiki de ba kangbugi de magi losin de for example weti da ga phiroi gumne
ꯁꯤꯗ ꯎꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯥꯛꯂꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯆꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯪꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯜ ꯌꯥꯏꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯈꯨꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯏꯗ ꯁꯥ ꯊꯣꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯆꯥꯛꯂꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯣꯡꯉꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯊꯦꯜꯅꯣ
ꯊꯣꯡꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯥꯅꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯡꯂꯤꯁꯤꯒ ꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯂꯤꯁꯤꯒ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯔꯗꯧꯕꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ahal laman ko angang kari laisa pakang kari loin mudung char dum
kumai sida maru ena chaklen myam samine basi yamna maru eba male masi matana kai thambi
masse matana je ekhoi gi ahobu numiji ji ko mayam loi ma dum samina ba hai tu ne
horen ganga gi jagoi saba yaw doiro
hoi yaw ni
don tindu nang na horen
khang ne ahan myam sa ahan mya dum thin ni dum
ado ganga lak pasin nungai bro
nungai dum
kai mo then cha do no sile mai lari myam dinang kai kai charing
si dum sa po
yam kari mo then thong biri sibo
oxane sise around 40 kg way ne khang amada
aje kumai khumana gangai lak paside kai kai haininge masi yamna chawba jelerong proof kidi khwale chawba kumai ni kai kai haibi
haijani bai bo mayam bo gangai gi taraf ge kakhulong gi taraf gi mayam bo wish spinning e nungai na haro kumai ko sise mapung phan bai ta re
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯈꯪ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯣꯡꯅꯤ
babung kai sabiri sibo sibo
ha
sabiri sibo kai
horen khunthak khunkha hoi lauraga chatpada ahal laman pakhang mayam masigi kok sida chirong oina san machi gi kaino tai to masi habraga loina ma khunthak khunkha si hoi lauraga chatkani
o handak ki pagar ngai se ko gi tongan ba ko gi kangbu sing nai tare state level gi thak ta ahum thona ga pakthok na bagi mayam ngangnar ko sing kai kai phawi bage
tasengna haragadi amadagi hena thoningai leite masida gangai haibase masi kanana tawgani habida aina tawgani magi aningba pamba kapui group na kapui na tawni ha jireng tawni ha magi sangstan sing to pairiba leadership sing duna magi tunga ba subida launa na bagi honrak pani haina lowi jireng long su yauba yai adugi hoi kapui group hariba kano thoi ju aiju isama kapui ni adu orga su group to tungan khaidok bai mota akhoi amatani masida punba yaba gangai da punba yaba tawba yaba se kana no haiba se masi hana identify tawthokpa darkar oi masida Christian dharma satpani chalaga aidi kapui ni aishu yaugudawni adu tawgudawni haina tawrebasidi central government dei khangde state government dei khangde akhoi gi lining lai sonda adige phironda thang ta da kaido khoi chanabi custom ki keno sida sen yamna sangi kholi haibi matungina central government khangde state government khangde khara pirakpa adugumbai khudong chabado madu launing bagi wakhanda oina tawba mali aduna tawba ya bagi keno sida karino habisi khara sacrifice taunarga masi punba yabasin karino yadabasin karino gangai habisi wan thogi sapchaba karino karam matam dei sanrakpano haibara singbadu kumna khana nairaga punba haibasidi loinamak welcome ni maitai su yauba yai pangan su yauba yai adubu maduna nungai bagi wakhani madugi sapchaba wahan thok haiba tarabodi gangai habisi ngarang nanda horokpa kanona natte tawrokpa natte ipa ipu laiga miga pakhang phan amata da punna tawrei kholei haibagi wari lei madudigi tawrokpa lai haktakdagi chanakpa niyom niti do mathang sum chathrakpade hoji pau kai go maka kaidana chathrakpai wani
Manipur shenma thungna ganga gi festival harau tem na pangthok nari adubo state level gi thakta pangthokpa kumhai gi thoromdana tongan fam singda tokhai ba gangup singna magi oiba interest ta pangthokpa gi mamintari ba sina kumhai asi pangthokpa gi harau nungai ba khara gi mkhai di hanthal di haiba si miyam na phongthok narakle camera person yuhan aramlo from jariba ai ketrame premchan impact news info.
Well, moving ahead, a combined team of proscribed revolutionary people Front's Army, People's Liberation Army and Manipur Naga People's Front's Army, Manipur Naga People's Army have claimed that they attacked the fort Assam Rifles camped at Kongtal village in Chandel district at around 6:30 p.m. yesterday. Casualties were reported from the site. Publicity secretary of the two proscribed group in a press release further claimed that a reinforcement team of Assam Rifles from Sajik Tampak was also bombed by a team of PLA's 252 Mobile Battalion and Manipur Naga People's Army, injuring Assam Rifles personnel in the second attack. Journalist team of Thoubal District Journalist Union reached Meghalaya's East Khashi Hills District, Bolaganj, yesterday. It may be mentioned that the journalist team left Manipur to trace Manipuri diasporas outside the state on January 4. They were accorded a warm reception upon their arrival in the Meitei village under Cherapunji subdivision, inhabited by around 150 Meitei families. Speaking on the occasion, President of Thoubal District Journalist Union, Soibam Binoy, said that their visit aimed to reconnect with Meitei brothers and sisters who were dispersed during the 7 years devastation in the history of Manipur. National Students Union of India, NSUI Manipur State, in a press release has strongly condemned the attacks on students and teachers inside Delhi's prestigious Jawaharlal Nehru University campus on Sunday evening by masked goons armed with sticks and stones. Now, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Delhi court's order to hang Nirbhaya rapist on 22nd January at 7 a.m. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. A Delhi court on Tuesday ordered that 4 convicts in the 2012 Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case will be hanged on January 22nd at 7 a.m. in Tihar jail. The order was pronounced by Additional Sessions Judge Satish Kumar Arora, who issued death warrants against them. The 4 death row convicts are Mukesh, Vinay Sharma, Akshay Singh and Pawan Gupta. Besides the 4 convicts, 2 more were accused in the rape and murder. Ram Singh, the 5th accused, committed suicide and a juvenile was released after 3 years in a reform home. The 23-year-old victim, dubbed as Nirbhaya, the fearless one, died from her injuries 13 days after she was raped and brutally assaulted on a moving bus on December 16, 2012. It was a crime of staggering brutality and sparked massive protests, global outrage, and led the country passing new Nirbhaya's mother, who had petitioned for a death warrant, said she has waited 7 years for justice. She said that this judgment will reinforce people's faith in the judiciary. She also said her daughter will get justice. Daughters of the country will get justice. Welcoming the verdict, Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar said justice has been delivered to Nirbhaya. In a tweet, he said the Delhi court's verdict to execute 4 convicts will empower women and strengthen people's faith on judiciary. In an effort to engage common people directly on their demands and aspirations from upcoming union budget, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has invited people to share their ideas and suggestions for this year's union budget on mygov.in. In a tweet, Mr. Modi said the union budget represents the aspirations of 130 crore Indians and lays out the path towards India's development. Now the sports news. Goa FC will play against Northeast United FC in the match of the ongoing Indian Super League at 2019-20 at Goa's Fatoda Stadium at 7:30 p.m. today. ATK will, with 21 points, has secured the first position, while Goa FC and Bengaluru FC with 21 and 19 points respectively are at second and third position in the league's table tally. Hero High League match between Trao FC and Neroka FC is underway at Imphale's Kumalampak main stadium since 2 this afternoon. Another Hero High League match between Aizawl FC and Churchill Brothers is also underway at Aizawl's Rajiv Gandhi Stadium since 2 p.m. today. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur indulges in the spirit of Zelengrong community's biggest festival, post-harvest Gangai, with traditional fervor, pomp and gaiety. And Delhi court on Tuesday issues death warrants for hanging of 4 convicts in Nirbhaya case on January 22nd at 7 a.m.